In this video, I'll guide you through how to check your Agoda booking history. Whether you want to confirm an upcoming stay, review past trips, or find details for expense reports, knowing where to see your bookings can save you a lot of time and stress. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll also point out a few tips along the way to keep things clear and easy to follow. First, you'll need to log into your Agoda account. Open your web browser or the Agoda app on your phone or tablet and head to the Agoda homepage or launch the app. Look for the option to sign in, usually found at the top right on the website or in the menu bar in the app. When you tap or click that, you'll be asked for your registered email address or mobile number and your password. Take a moment to make sure you're using the same account you used when you made your booking, because your booking history is tied to that specific account. If you're having trouble logging in, double check for typing errors, especially in your email and password. If needed, use the forgot password option to reset it securely. It's important to log in successfully before moving on, because you won't be able to see your full booking history if you're browsing as a guest. Once you're signed in, the next step is to get to your booking history. On the website, look for a section labeled something like My Bookings or Booking History. This is usually located in your account menu, which might appear when you click on your profile icon or your name in the top corner. In the app, you'll normally find it under your account tab or profile tab, again with a label similar to My Bookings. Go ahead and click or tap on that section. This is where Agoda gathers all of your reservations in one place. Depending on your account activity, you may see a list of both upcoming and past stays. Some layouts will separate them with tabs, like upcoming and past, while others will list them all together with dates and status clearly shown. To view your past reservations, look for the part of the page that shows your completed or previous stays. If there are tabs, switch to the one labeled past or completed. Here, you should see a list of hotels, properties, and dates for each stay you've already finished. Select any reservation you're interested in to open its details. Inside each booking, you can usually see information like the property name and address, your check-in and check-out dates, the room type you booked, the number of guests, and sometimes even the price breakdown and payment details. This is especially useful if you need to confirm where you stayed, verify dates for work or personal records, or quickly reference information for future travel planning. If you don't immediately see an older booking, some accounts allow you to adjust filters or scroll further back in time, so keep an eye out for options that let you load more reservations or search by date. And that's all there is to it. You log into your Agoda account, go to your My Bookings or Booking History section, and then review your past reservations from there. Once you've done it a couple of times, checking your Agoda booking history becomes a simple habit whenever you need travel details at your fingertips.